Hello everyone, I'm Carrie Buziak of AON Celtic Art. I'm a published author and a Celtic artist teaching modern techniques in ancient art. Are you guys ready? This week I'm announcing my Celtic giveaway. That's right, for exactly 1 week you guys are going to have a whole bunch of chances to enter in a giveaway to win 10 different Celtic prizes. So how is the giveaway going to work? Well, let me tell you. You're going to have a chance to enter multiple times. So there's going to be a list and you'll have different actions that you can perform, and each action is worth a different number of entries. So sometimes 1 entry, sometimes 3 entries. And if you go through each one, then you'll get multiple chances to enter. So the different things you can do are sign up to the newsletter, you can visit my Facebook page, things like that. So you can go through each one and have multiple chances to win. The giveaway is going to run from July 25th to 31st. And like I say, you have multiple chances to win. I'll be highlighting each day in a video 2 different prizes, so you get to have sort of a sneak peek of the things that'll be offered. Today, we're going to start off with the first 2. So one of the things you can win is one of my winged cat Celtic t-shirts. Now these are available on a couple different shirt colors, so you can get them on gray, black, kind of like a dark kind of purpley color, and of course in all the different sizes. So once a winner's been chosen by random selection at the end of the week, I'll send you an email if you've won, and you'll be able to pick your shirt color that you want as well as your shirt size. So the second prize we're going to highlight today is my silver Tree of Life Celtic necklace. I'll zoom it in here for you. Ta-da! So even if you don't wear necklaces yourself, you can always give this away to a friend or a loved one. It comes on a lovely little silver chain. So that'll be another prize that you can win as well. So tune in tomorrow. I will have the next 2 prizes to showcase for you. And I'll see you guys then. Bye!